Hello dear students. Today we will going to discuss the next oxidizing reagent, that is Lemieux Johnson reagent. This reagent is generally used in the organic synthesis. It is also used in the synthesis of many natural product molecules. So this is important oxidizing reagent. Combination of combination of osmium tetroxide with NaIO4, that is sodium periodate. Combination of OSO4, osmium tetroxide, with NaIO4, that is sodium periodate, is called as Lemieux Johnson reagent. Is called as Lemieux Johnson reagent. This oxidizing reagent was discovered by R.U. Lemieux and W.S. Johnson, and they publish it in the Journal of Organic Chemistry, that is JOC, Journal of Organic Chemistry, in 1956. This reagent is used for the oxidative cleavage of double bond of alkene into aldehydes and ketones. So this is the function of this reagent. It is used for the oxidative cleavage of double bond of alkene into aldehydes and ketones. It is used very less amount of osmium tetroxide. There is use of less amount of osmium tetroxide. It is important in viewpoint of toxicity and cost of osmium tetroxide. NaIO4 oxidize osmium in its lower oxidation state and regenerate osmium tetroxide. Hence, hydroxylation reaction will be continued with small amount of costly osmium tetroxide. So this is advantage of this NaIO4, as we know that osmium tetroxide is toxic and it is costly. If we use that osmium tetroxide with NaIO4, then that NaIO4 will oxidize lower osmium into again osmium tetroxide, and therefore reaction will be continued. Now we will see the reaction. That is conversion of alkene into aldehydes and ketones using osmium tetroxide and NaIO4, that is Lemieux Johnson reagent. Look at simple example. Here we take this type of substituted alkene. This is alkene. This is substituted alkene. That alkene on oxidation with osmium tetroxide, sodium periodate in presence of water. This is oxidative cleavage of this carbon-carbon double bond. So this carbon attached with carbonyl group plus this carbon attached with carbonyl group. There is formation of ketone and also there is formation of aldehyde. So here mixture of ketone and aldehyde will be formed. Now we will see the mechanism of this reaction. Mechanism of this reaction. So this is structure of alkene. That alkene react with osmium tetroxide. We have seen detailed mechanism of this oxidation in previous video. This is 3+2 cycloaddition reaction. There is formation of cyclic osmate ester. Like that. This is cyclic osmate ester. That ester undergo hydrolysis with water, so that two bonds undergo cleavage and there is formation of a diol. For detailed mechanism you can see my previous video. So this is diol. Then this diol undergo reaction with sodium periodate. This is structure of NaIO4. So here lone pair of electron on oxygen attack at this iodine and there is formation of O minus. So this O minus will take the proton from this OH and there is formation of OH. So here we get C, CS3, CS2, CS3, C, OH, CS3, hydrogen, oxygen attached with iodine, C double bond O, C double bond O, O minus, Na plus, and here we have OH. In next step, that lone pair of electron on second oxygen of diol attack at this iodine and there is formation of again O minus. So this O minus will take the proton from this OH. So here we get this type of structure CS3, CS2, CS3, O, C, CS3, hydrogen, O, iodine, bond with oxygen, C double bond O, OH, OH here, O minus, Na plus. This is called as cyclic periodate ester. This is cyclic periodate ester. This cyclic periodate ester undergo oxidative cleavage of carbon-carbon bond. Oxidative cleavage of carbon-carbon bond. We will see the cleavage. So this type of cleavage of carbon-carbon bond will be takes place of cyclic periodate ester and there is formation of C double bond O plus C CS3 hydrogen double bond O, that is ketone, and this is aldehyde. So this is the mechanism of conversion of alkene into ketone and aldehyde using osmium tetroxide and sodium periodate. Now we will see some examples of this reagent. Look at first example here. Cyclohexene undergo oxidative cleavage with osmium tetroxide and NaIO4 in water and form this type of aldehyde. So this bond undergo cleavage into corresponding aldehyde. In next example, here that carbon of alkene attached with methyl group, therefore it form into ketone, and that hydrogen, that carbon attached with hydrogen, here we have hydrogen, therefore that carbon will convert into aldehyde on oxidative cleavage of osmium tetroxide and NaIO4. Look at next example. Here we have substituted alkene, so that alkene undergo oxidation with OSO4 and NaIO4 and convert into ketones. So here we get two ketones. Look at next example. This is 1-dodecene. It undergo oxidation with osmium tetroxide, NaIO4 in water dioxane solvent system, and there is formation of un-decanal and formaldehyde. So here this bond undergo cleavage. It form one aldehyde and it form second aldehyde. Look at next example here. This is structure. That structure is from synthesis of 7-cyanidine E molecule as a naturally important molecule. So as earlier stated that osmium tetroxide with NaIO4 is widely used in the synthesis of many naturally important molecules. So this osmium tetroxide with NaIO4 used in the synthesis of 7-cyanidine E molecule. Here we have two double bonds. This is one and this is second. So selectively this reagent oxidatively cleave this carbon-carbon double bond into aldehyde, and that double bond remains as it is. So this is the selective dihydroxylation and then cleavage of carbon-carbon bond. Look at next example. Here also we have alkene. That alkene undergo oxidation with osmium tetroxide and NaIO4 into corresponding carbonyl compounds, that is aldehyde. So this bond undergo cleavage. So this is about the Lemieux-Johnson oxidation. Thank you very much for watching my video.